Bitpredict is a cognitive engine designed to address machine prognostics. Annual costs of bearing failures is $200 billion in the US alone, and that effect is compounded in Pakistan. Bitpredict can identify machine failure weeks earlier. Bitpredict identifies machine failure long before they can occur and tells which machines need to be attended to first. Bitpredict is capable of optimizing plants' productivity by reducing machinery breakdown and energy inefficiencies. Its self-improving, self-learning and adaptive algorithms ensure that results continue to improve over time. Optimizing plant productivity via data-driven software can increase it by 10% and more. Possible cost savings can be generated from its use, as lesser breakdown and failures would occur.